Okay, so let's get down to the basics. Today I'll be looking at three things. One is how to create a bookmark folder, two is how do we delete a bookmark, and three is how do we hide or unhide the bookmarks bar. If you're looking to create a simple bookmark, do check out our previous video. If not, let's go. Okay, so how do we go about creating a bookmarks folder? So what I did over here is to open up all the web pages that I'm looking to put inside the bookmarks folder that I'm going to create. So I have these two recipes that I'm looking to put inside the bookmark folder. I will click on the first recipe or web page that I'm looking to put in the folder. Towards the top right hand side, you see these three dots icon. Click on it, scroll down to bookmarks, click on bookmark this tab. This window pops up. Name, put in whatever name you want to give it. I'll leave it as such. For folder, I don't want to put in the bookmarks bar, so what I do, I click on it, scroll down to choose another folder. I'll click on that. This window pops up. Ensure your bookmarks bar is highlighted in blue. If it's not, just click on it. Then towards the bottom, you'll see this new folder. Click on that. Name whatever you want to name your bookmarks folder. I'll name it as dessert recipes. Once you have done that, towards the bottom you see this save button. Click on save. Alright, so once that is done, you'll be able to see your bookmarks folder appearing on the bookmarks bar as such. When I click on it, I can also see the web page being saved inside the folder. Okay, so let's say I have this other website or web page I'd like to save into the same folder that I just created. I'll do the same thing. Towards the top right hand side, the three dots icon, click on it, scroll down to bookmarks and click on bookmark this tab. Name it whatever you want to name. I'll leave it as such. Folder, ensure your newly created bookmarks folder is selected. Then click on done. So now when you go over to your bookmarks folder, click on it, you can see the new web page also saved into the same folder. Okay, next, how do we go about deleting a bookmark? So just put your cursor over the bookmark that you wish to delete, right click, scroll down to delete, click on delete, and that's it, your bookmark is gone. So similarly, if you want to delete a bookmark from the bookmarks folder, put your cursor over the bookmark, right click, scroll down to delete, click on delete, and the bookmark is gone. You can use the same method to delete the entire bookmarks folder as well. So how do we hide or unhide the bookmarks bar? By now you should know this is called the bookmarks bar. So first thing, I'll click on the three dots icon, scroll down to bookmarks and click on show bookmark bar. The bookmark bar disappears. So how do we get it to appear again? Follow the same steps and the bookmark bar would appear again. So that's pretty much it for hiding or unhiding the bookmarks bar. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this useful and like to see more of such content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.